I welcome you today to today tutorial. Today lesson today we are going to talk about. I'm going to explain about this painting. The painting really got my mind and really touched me. How the mother used to suffer and raise a kid. In this reference, it shows how the mother is feeding his child, and the child is crying or hungry. He's trying to feed him, so the looks about the baby that really got my attention, and I used my brush and my paint trying to express my feelings about this painting. If it's your first time coming across this channel or page, subscribe and follow and stay tuned for more art tutorial and tips and how to perfect your drawing skills, pastel and charcoal painting. Watch and follow and stay tuned at the end. So as you saw the painting, so using my brush try to create effect like this. Using the reference picture, I use acrylic to paint. After sketching it, I use the acrylic to paint this reference. Watching the color harmony and tune of the picture was really amazing. Trying to create the density of the anger of the baby. I was hungry can push you into distress and anger and stuff like that. So tell me what you think about the painting. Help me share it and reach more people. Comment, tell me what you think. It help me improve for my painting. This painting took me 120 hours to paint. Hope you like it. Just tell me what you think about the painting. So gradually we are moving and we are pushing the work down to the finishing side of it. As you can see, the hand of the baby has come out very clean. And, so as I notice, it's not too late or too soon to start. I don't know what you are struggling with as a painting, how to mix color to get a skin tone, or how to paint abstract. Follow my page or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more art tutorial. No knowledge is wasted. The little one I do here, it can help you improve on your drawing. So we've come to the end of this lesson today. See you in my next video.